What's up, good people, and welcome back to Empire Production. My good name is Shiko Gitao, and of course we are here to follow up on a story that we have been uploading on our channel right here. And we have seen the story of this guy ambaye aliweza kufanya a trending video kuhusiana na they say defaming or a defamation of Mungai, who is a digital content creator. And like you can see, we are here at the Kibera Law Court, and this week on Tuesday the guy aliweza kufikishwa hapa hivi, and unfortunately hakuwa na lawyer, but today we are privileged to have someone ambaye ataweza kutembea naye katika hii safari yote tujue itakuwa vipi. But before we introduce him, as you can see, kikundi ni kikubwa. So here we have the family members ambao tutaweza kufanya interview na wao baadaye. Then we have the guy, nyinyi wote mnamjua, anajulikana kama Ajab comedian, ambaye yani amekuwa tu akifuatilia history kuanzia mwanzo hadi mahali imefikia, and we are hopeful that things will fall into place. And pale hivyo pia tuna mkubwa, pia ataweza kutueleza ni nani, lakini pia ni mtu ambaye yuko na ukaribu sana katika hii whole story. So karibu sana ndani ya Empire Production.
My name is Mohati Apala. I'm an advocate of the High Court of Kenya to appear for the accused person called Cyprian Muendo, aka African Beast. Today I appeared to make an application for production of the accused person who was arraigned in court on allegation of criminal libel and impersonating a police officer, and allegedly having police garments contrary to the law. He was arraigned on Tuesday and given a bond that the family thought was exorbitant. And I'm here today. I've made the application under the Constitution of Kenya, under the judiciary bond and bail policy. We are of the opinion that the accused person should be released, in fact, on a free bond, because under the judiciary bail and bond, the accused person cannot run away from the jurisdiction. In legal language, it's not a flight risk. He has a permanent abode in this country, especially in Nairobi, where he resides, and is a person we believe is of good character. And he will attend court as when the court requires, and abide by all the directions that will be given by the court. We have looked at the charge sheet, and we believe that this is a matter that will be handled very effectively. And if the complainants would wish to have a chat or to try and finalize this matter outside the court, we are saying that is a small dispute that can be handled outside the court, and they are welcomed. But all the same, we are ready to prosecute the case. The matter has been scheduled for 18th. That will be a Tuesday, when the accused person will be brought to court, and we shall be making a formal application for the reduction or for review of those cash bail and bond terms. I want to thank the family for believing in what we are doing, and we hope that we shall be successful on Tuesday, when we shall have the accused person released on favorable and bail terms.
Now, my second question to you, Mr. Pala, is that you say that if the person who filed the complaint is willing to have a chat with you, because according to you, say that the issue can be solved outside the court. Do you first of all think that your client was rightfully arrested or something?
That's why he's called an accused person. We have looked at the charge sheet, and we find that there was a misrepresentation of facts. We have looked at the clip, and we don't see any wrong thing with it. And under Article 159 of the Constitution, parties are allowed to sort out their differences outside the court. And we realize that the parties have known each other, and they can be able to, and the friends here who are accompanying me and the family members can be able to reach and sort out this dispute, if any exists. But it is our belief under the Constitution that the accused person is innocent until he is proved guilty.
Now, you said that looking at that clip, there could be some misinterpretation of facts. And in an interview we did with Ajab Comedian on our YouTube channel, if you haven't watched it, you can find it on Empire Group Production. Kwa zile comments, we saw people saying that it's something that can be forgiven. Now, can you tell us a little bit about what you said, misinterpretation of facts?
Well, from the clip, a person watching that clip and can easily construe what the comedian was saying as a criminal libel. But from the background and from the way the parties know each other, it is my personal view that there was no intent to commit a crime by the accused person. That these are talks that always emanate from celebrities when they chide each other. And that's why we feel strongly that this is a matter that so that these are people in the same field. They will continue meeting, they will have common friends, and that it is something that they can reach out to each other through the friends, through me, the advocate, and the complainant's advocate, and have the issue sorted out outside the court.
Since we have seen you for the first time today and we have met you right here at the Kibera Law Court where the guy was arraigned on Tuesday, I don't know, umetuambia what you came to do now. I would like you to tell us, like, mmefikia wapi hadi hivi sasa?
So far we have been able to make the application, and it has been taken to the Chief Magistrate for direction. And we believe that we have been given a date for 18th, or that it will be on Tuesday, when you know, in court you cannot be able to mitigate the accused's case without that person's presence in court. And therefore the court will be requesting the prison service to produce the accused person, so that on Tuesday we can be able to make the application verbally in court, orally in court, that is, and have the accused person released on reasonable bond and bail terms. Yeah.
So my next question is to Ajab Comedian. Labda Ajab, nataka utueleze ilifikia vipi amua labda sasa tutafute lawyer, because the first time the accused was arraigned here hakuwa na lawyer.
Sababu like hiyo bili alikuwa amepatiwa ilikuwa mzito sana kwa familia yao na sisi wenyewe ambayo tuliingia katikati kumsupport. So tukabidi tushughulike kutafuta lawyer, kwa sababu tukirichia familia ambao waliaccused mwenye walimshtaki wenyewe hawezi communicate na sisi, wanajaribu kutuambia kwamba hafai communicate na sisi, tutafute lawyer. Tukasema basi wacha tujaribu kutafuta lawyer, kwa sababu kijana ako industry area, hata akirudi Tuesday kama hatuja communicate pata hizo hela bado itakuwa uzito. Tukasema wacha tutafute legal person ambaye anaweza deal na hiki in way, at least tunaweza mbele, tunaweza songa mbele, na at least tumeona tu, at least tunaona tunasonga mbele. Ya tuna matumaini kwamba kijana atakuwa free soon. Yeah.
So, Mr. Pala, Ajab comedian right here says that before they were trying to talk to the people or to the team that filed the complaint, and they were not ready to talk to them unless they used a lawyer. Now, have you tried to reach Eve Mungai's lawyer so far?
I've not tried to reach to them. I was waiting today so that I can be able to get firm instruction from the family members who have attended. Then I'll be able to conduct the complainant's lawyer and put forward our request on without prejudice basis. And so that I will express the family's willingness and friends to have this matter sorted out amicably under Article 159 of the Constitution. Yeah.
So after the application, what next so far? Are we still waiting for Tuesday? Or there is something that can happen in between before Tuesday the 18th? From the court's record, that is when the court will be available. And production of an accused person from the prison also requires some numerous paperwork where the documents that are called production orders will be issued by this court, taken to the prison if it is in Australia where he is being incarcerated, and they will be processed and then to be able for the prison now to avail the accused person. So, and that is why, because tomorrow is a Friday and there is a weekend after that, and the court diary also have space on 18th of October 2022. So it's just 4 days in between.
Yes.
Now Ajab, mara kwanza tuliweza kuzungumza nawe, ulikuwa umetuambia kwamba you are now ready to lose your car for the guy to be out on cash bail or something like that. Sijui kama kuna any steps ama sasa itabidi muende na lawyer.
Itabidi tuende na lawyer atupatie direction. Tukipata direction sasa ndachukua hiyo pesa ambayo wataturuhusu tutoe, taitoa. Yeah.
All right, so thank you so much team for having us today. We wish you all the best na asanteni sana kwa sivyo. Yeah, that is the lawyer of the accused, that is Cyprian, ambaye aliweza kuwa accused na various charges kama usema lawyer wake. So it's a story that we'll be following up closely. Stay tuned right here at Empire Group Production. Remember, you can always find us on every social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at Empire Group Production. Find me also on all platforms at I_am Shiko Gitau. Bye bye.